Vijayakumar IS Academy Institute for your success.
Very good morning to everyone. In this video, we are going to see about our 100 days free class for TNPSC Group 2 2A General English. So, what's going to be our motto for this 100 days class is to make you achieve 100 out of 100 in General English. So, this is our target initially. And this 100 days classes will be starting from tomorrow. From Monday to Friday, the classes will be uploaded to you and at 7 a.m. And what's going to be our strategy or study plan to this 100 days class. Initially, as we know that our sources will be from 6th to 10th standard Samachir book and new Samachir book and also the old textbook, and then Wren and Martin grammar and composition book. So this is going to be our sources. And then what's going to be our approach is how we are going to approach each and every topic. Like initially we are going to analyze the previous year question papers, because when we approach the previous year question papers, you can have a clear idea of the way they have asked the question, and also you can find out in this topic the question is going to be easy, moderate or difficult. So these things you can easily understand. So after understanding the previous year questions, then I am going to teach you the topic. So with that reference, if we approach the class means you can easily relate the question with that class. So and after the class is over, in our app like Vijayakumar Academy app is there. Please download from Play Store. So in there we have a free classes will be there. So you can download the PDF what I am going to teach you. Also the videos also will be there. PDF you can download from it. So after downloading it, every day after the class, please buy a note, and every day class you just take a notes making in it. So without notes making, it is not going to be a easy thing. So after note making, again every day you just make a note of it, and before the next class, please revise what you have made. Okay, so the next classes, how much I have, if for example we are in the 10th class means the first 9 classes you should have revised before entering to the next class. Please revise the initial classes. So if for example as we know in syllabus, grammar have a major part in it, major mark, of course 85 marks are going to be grammar, and remaining 15 marks is going to be for poem and prose, we know that. So this at the end of the 100th class, for example grammar I am going to start it first because we have a major. So first topic is parts of speech. So the first day class we have, at the end of the 100th class you would have revised 99 times, right? So every day if you revise and revise and revise, you could find it very easy. You can get familiarity. So in this way, with lots of revision to the till 100th day, it will be very easy for you to get 100 out of 100. So please don't bother about the revised syllabus. It's new thing. Nothing is new or nothing is difficult. Everything is from our Samachir book only, right? So everything is in book, but few things they have included. That's all. So என்ன ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா, நீங்கள் 100 out of 100 கண்டிப்பாக எடுக்க முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறத நாங்கள் ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இந்த 100 டேஸோட கிளாஸ் அட் த எண்டில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஹோல் சிலபஸ் உங்களுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகிருக்க போது ஜென்ரல் இங்கிலீஷ். தட் டூ வித்தின் ஜூன் யூ குட் ஹவ் கம்ப்ளீட் த ஜென்ரல் இங்கிலீஷ், ரைட்? So you can easily revise it in a very faster way so that you can utilize the much time to GS. So GS you have 100 marks and you have topics, bigger topics than us. So என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So if you general English, if you have complete in a very faster way அப்படின்னா, you can have a good time for GK also. So this is our motto for it, and we know that syllabus we have 7 units, and in orientation class I have discussed everything in detail also. If you want it, please go and search in a orientation class also. And so this is our syllabus. Just one overall view we can see. General English, first topic you see, raw grammar itself, we have a 25 questions, and this is the major part. The unit 1 is having a major mark in it. Then if you see unit 2 vocabulary, here also we have a lot of some memory part is here in this unit 2 vocabulary, having a 15 questions. Then if you see writing skills, this 10 questions, no, really with some understanding, okay, mostly understanding is needed for the writing skills and this reading comprehension and translations. So this part will have a more of understanding. And if you see for unit 4 technical terms, 10 questions are there, and they have mentioned very clearly only basics. So for example, government order, GO, so likewise some basic terms are going to be there, and nothing going to be easily you can get a 10 marks here. And then like a translation we have a 5 marks, and we are going to give you lot of revision in this thing, and revision is up to you actually. After I am teaching class, you have to revise properly in a daily manner. Okay, 2-3 days I have miss பண்ணிட்டீங்க, again 3 days அப்புறம் you don't have a time. So இந்த மாதிரி போகாம, if you want 100 out of 100 in this, take it in a serious way. Serious way எடுத்துக்கிட்டு everyday classes everyday நீங்க வந்து complete பண்ணிட்டு next day with the full revision நீங்க வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, full revision பண்ணிடுது நீங்க revision பண்ணணும், and then you should practice some test practice you have to do. So these things if you continuously do only, you can rectify your mistakes also. ஒரு டெஸ்ட் போட்டு பார்க்கும்போது அப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும். for 5 questions போடும்போது in where I am lacking, இல்ல where I am finding it difficult, so இந்த மாதிரி திங்ஸையும் நீங்க ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ செல்ஃப் இவாலுவேஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியம், செல்ஃப் ரிவிஷன் அண்ட் டெஸ்ட் முக்கியம். ஸோ கிளாஸஸ் இப்படி தான் இருக்க போகுது. லிட்ரரி ஒர்க்ஸ் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, ப்ரோயம் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா we have 30 poems and 28 proses are also there. ஸோ இதை எப்படி ஈஸி மேனரில் ஃபுல்ஃபில்டாக நம்ம வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம கிளாஸஸில் நடத்துவோம். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் யூட்டிலைஸ் திஸ் 100 days ஃப்ரீ கிளாஸ். நீங்கள் இப்போ வந்து போய் ஒரு கோச்சிங் கிளாஸில் ஃபீஸ் பே பண்ணி அந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு போய் மணி ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி இப்படி எதுவும் படிக்க தேவையில்லை. உங்கள் வீட்டில் உங்கள் ஃபோனில் இதை படிக்க போகிறீங்க. இந்த 100 days மிஸ் பண்ணிடாமல் ப்ளீஸ் மேக் யூஸ் ஆஃப் இட், அண்ட் விஷிங் யூ வெரி ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். நம்மளோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் மீட் பண்ணலாம். தேங்க்யூ.